Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install worlds in your Hytale game and how you can do this. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is get CurseForge and install it in your PC. Then just search here for Hytale mods and go over to worlds. Here you can find a lot of worlds. Just find whatever the world you want to download and download it and to keep it on your desktop. Just click on the world you want to download and then click on download. It will download a zip file. Once you keep it on the desktop, what you have to do is open Hytale launcher and then go over to the settings button. Then click on open directory and then go over to user data. Here you have to open saves folder and then drag and drop your world zip file in your folder. After this, right click on this and click on extract all. Extract here. Once the extraction completes, open your game and go into the worlds, and there you'll find your world. So yes, this is how you can download and import worlds in Hytale. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.